Exercise 1.2, the problem number 5. On the set of natural numbers, let R be the relation defined by A is related to B if 2A plus 3B is equal to 30. Write down the relation by listing all the pairs. Check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive, equivalence. Okay. So, what is the set given? Set of all natural numbers. You see that A is related to B if 2A plus 3B is equal to 30. So, A and B are natural numbers having this condition. So, what is the condition given? It is given that 2A plus 3B is equal to 30. What is A and B? A and B belongs to the natural number. So, first I will put A is equal to 1. If I substitute A is equal to 1, here you will have 2 plus 3B is equal to 30. What is 3B? 3B is equal to 30 minus 2, that is 28. B is equal to 28 by 3. So, it is not a natural number. Okay. So, here you are having the condition 3B is equal to some number. So, the B, if it is a multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. So, for that, to get that, I will substitute, put A is equal to 3. So, multiples of 3, I am going to give for A. So, when I substitute in this condition, what is the condition? The condition is 2A plus 3B is equal to 30. So, when I substitute here, A is equal to 3 means it is 6 plus 3B is equal to 30. So, 3B is equal to 30 minus 6, that is 24. So, what is B? B is equal to 8. So, when A is equal to 3, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 8. So, therefore, the ordered pair is 3, 8. So, next one, I am moving for put A is equal to 6. Okay. So, what is the condition? 2A. So, 6 into 2, 12. 12 plus 3B is equal to, what is that? 30. So, on substituting this condition, 3B is equal to 30 minus 12. 30 minus 12 is 18. So, B is equal to 6. So, the next ordered pair is, it is A is equal to 6 and B is also 6. So, you will get the ordered pair 6, 6. Next, put A is equal to 9. A is equal to 9. So, the condition is what? 2A. So, it is 18 plus 3B is equal to 30. So, 3B is equal to 13 minus 18. So, that is 12. So, what is B? B is equal to 4. So, when A is equal to 9, your B is equal to 4. So, therefore, the ordered pair is 9, 4. And the next one, put A is equal to 12. So, the condition 2A. So, it is 24 plus 3B is equal to 30. Okay, what is 3B? 3B is equal to 30 minus 24, that is 6. So, B is equal to 2. So, when A is equal to 12, your B is equal to 2. So, therefore, you are getting the ordered pair. Therefore, 12, 2. Okay, I will go for substituting. Put A is equal to 15. If I substitute 2A, that is 30 plus 3B is equal to 30. So, 3B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. B is 0 is not a natural number. Okay, I will go for one more. So, put A is equal to 18. When you substitute in the condition, the first term is 2A. So, 18 into 2, 36. 36 plus 3B is equal to 30. So, 3B is equal to what? 30 minus 36. What is it? 30 minus 36. So, 3B is equal to minus 6. B is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is not a natural number. So if you substitute a is equal to some next value, if you substitute b as a negative number, it's not a natural number. So therefore, what are the ordered pairs we are getting? We are getting the first one, it is 3, 8. What is the second one? 6, 6. And the third one is 9, 4. And the fourth one is 12, 2. So these 4 ordered pairs should be in the relation R, satisfying the condition 2a plus 3b is equal to 30. So first one is, what is it? 3, 8. The next one is 6, 6. And the third one is 9, 4. And the fourth one is 12, 2. So here we have listed all the ordered pairs in the relation. So your what is that question is, write down the relation by listing all the pairs we listed out. Next we have to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive and equivalence. Okay, so you see that first we are moving to reflexive. What is reflexive means? What? For all A belongs to the set, for all A belongs to S, for all A belongs to the set S. Here our set is what? It's a natural number. What you should have? You should have A, A belongs to R. Okay, so for an here you will have only one ordered pair. 6, 6 belongs to R. So for the natural number 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, like that it goes on. It's not in R. So therefore R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Okay, so we can write for all A belongs to N, A does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not reflexive. The next one we are moving to symmetric. So symmetric means what? If A, B belongs to R, then B, A belongs to R. So this condition has to be satisfied in the relation. Okay, I'll consider the first element. What is it? It is 3, 8. So here 3, 8 belongs to R. But what is not there? 8, 3 does not belongs to R. Does not belongs to R. So therefore, and if you consider the next element, what is it? 9, 4 belongs to that relation. If it is symmetric means you should have 4, 9. But 4, 9 does not belongs to the relation. Similarly, 12, 2 belongs to R. 12, 2 belongs to R. But what is not there? 2, 12 does not belongs to R. Okay. So here for a symmetric condition is not satisfied. If A, B belongs to R, then B, A does not belongs to R. So we are getting the condition, symmetric condition is not satisfied for 3 ordered pairs in the relation. So we can very well say R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Okay, next we have to go to transitive. So transitive mean what condition has to be satisfied? If A, B belongs to R and B, C belongs to R. If these two ordered pairs are there, we can very well say A, C belongs to R. So this condition has to be satisfied. Okay, so first given two condition should be in the relation. So we can't find 2 ordered pairs. You just consider the first one. 3, 8 is there, but 8 is not related to any other element. That relation is not there. So we can't find 2 ordered pairs such that we can't find 2 pairs A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R such that A comma C does not belongs to R. அந்த மாதிரி ஆர்டர் பேரை நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணலை. நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணாதான் we can say R is not transitive-னு we can say. அப்போ R is not transitive, it's not true. R is not transitive, is not true. Okay, so therefore we conclude R is transitive. That means அந்த ரெண்டு ஆர்டர் பேர் நம்மக்கிட்ட இல்லை. அதனால் இந்த மாதிரி ரிலேஷனை நம்ம கொண்டு வர முடியாது. ஸோ இப்படி இருந்தால் தான் இந்த கண்டிஷன், இந்த டேர்ம் டஸ் நாட் பிலாங்ஸ் டு ஆர்னு இருந்தால் தான் we can say R is not transitive. ஸோ அப்போ R is not transitive-னு சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ therefore we conclude R is transitive. So next we are moving to the fourth one as a equivalence. Equivalence means what? The relation should be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Here we conclude the R is not reflexive, the R is not symmetric. So therefore here we can conclude very well that the R is not an equivalence relation. What is it? It is not an equivalence relation. 1.2, the problem number 7. On the set of all natural numbers, let R be the relation defined by A is related to B if A plus B less than or equal to 6. Write down the relation by listing all the pairs. Check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive and equivalence. So we'll take the solution. So what is the set given? Set is a set of all natural numbers. Okay. And A is related to B if A plus B less than or equal to 6. So here A and B are natural numbers having the condition. What is the condition given? A plus B less than or equal to 6. So first I am going to list out the pairs in the relation. So A plus B, A and B, they are natural numbers. So I'll take A as 1, B as 1. So what is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 is less than 6. So I'll have the ordered pair first one, 1 comma 1. Next I can go for 1 comma 2. So if you add 1 and 2, it is 3. 3 is less than 6. So you'll have 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 5. Isn't it? Okay. You should not take 1 comma 6. So if 1 and 6 is added, you will get 7. 7 is greater than 6. So like that you can go for 2 comma 1. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. Okay, so next you can go 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. Okay, next 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2. Next we will go for 5 comma 1. So these are the ordered pairs in the relation R. Now you are going to check whether it is reflexive, symmetric, transitive and equivalence. So the first one we are taking reflexive. If it is reflexive means what? For all A belongs to the set. Here the set is a natural number. We have to find the ordered pair A comma A belongs to R. But you see that if you consider first natural number 1, so 1 comma 1 is present, 2 comma 2 is there, 3 comma 3. But you don't have 4 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So we can say for all the ordered pair A comma A does not belongs to R. So therefore R is not reflexive. Okay, R is not reflexive. So next one we are moving to symmetric. Symmetric means what? If the ordered pair A comma B belongs to R, then B comma A belongs to R. Okay, so we have to find such ordered pairs. You look at this here. If you consider 1 comma 2, so 1 comma 2, you just consider this 1 comma 2. So what the order pair should be there? 2, 1. So if we have 1, 2. For the ordered pair 1, 3, 3, 1 belongs to that relation. You consider the ordered pair 1, 4, you will have 4, 1 belongs to the relation. For the ordered pair 1, 5, you see that 5, 1 belongs to the relation. And if you consider 2, 3, you see that the ordered pair 3, 2 belongs to the relation. 2, 4, if you consider 4, 2 belongs to the relation. So remaining us 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So therefore, this condition is satisfied on the ordered pairs on that relation. So therefore we can very well conclude what is it? R is symmetric. Next one, we are moving to transitive. What is it? Transitive. For transitive we have to get two conditions. So you see that now 1, 2. So you see here 2, 1 is here. So 2, 1. 2, 1 and 1, 3 if you consider. What is it? 2, 1 belongs to R and 1, 3 belongs to R if the two ordered pairs are in that relation. If it's so, we can very well say 2, 3 also belongs to R. If it's so, what is it? What we can say? We can say the relation is transitive. So see that 2, 3 also there. So for the next pair, 2, 1 you consider and 2, 4. If we have 2, 1 and 2, 4 means 2, 4. 2, 4 also there. And you go for the next ordered pair 2, 1. The same ordered pair 2, 1 and consider 1, 5. Okay, both belongs to R. What is that? You see that I'll consider 2, 1 belongs to R and 1, 5 also belongs to R. Okay, if these two ordered pairs are in the relation, but which one? 2, 5. Look at that. The ordered pair 2, 5 does not belongs to R. For these two ordered pairs which are in the relation, we are not getting 2, 5. That is not in the relation. Yes or no? So therefore, if you write like this, what is the transitive means? If A, B belongs to R, A, B belongs to R and B, C belongs to R such that A, C does not belongs to R. So therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So it is not transitive, it is not reflexive. So therefore we can conclude R is not an equivalence relation. R is not an equivalence relation.